Well, the other topic is about hobbies. What are your interests? Well, for example, what hobbies do you have? What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What activities you do to relax? What are you too into? These are some questions related to ask you about your hobbies or interests. How to answer is really easy too. I really enjoy, I like, I love. The subject, the verb, enjoy, like, love, plus the verb in ing or the gerund with to and the complement. For example, I like to play soccer with the gerund. If you use the gerund, you have to use to. I like to go. I like to. I like to go to the movies. I like to travel. Yes, you see, you hear, you use to with the gerund. With the ing is without the to. I like playing soccer. I love traveling. I like going to the movies. I love swimming in the sea, for example. You see the difference? With the gerund, you use to and the verb gerund. And with the ing, you only use the verb with the ing and the complement. This is our information. It related to personal information. Yes. What interests are have you? More information about you. We are going to discuss your hobbies and interests in a fast time on Friday in order to review this class. I have a presentation. There is an activity when you have to talk about your hobbies and interests. I'm going to send you this information. You have it's really easy. It's not like a homework. It's really easy in order to review. And in the last class on Friday, we are going to review personal information and hobbies. And you are going to talk about a lot, but in a very fast way to review and improve this part. Okay. For example, I love playing soccer. I really love playing soccer. I play soccer on weekends. All on weekends I play soccer. I like to travel. I like to travel to Pereira Manizales. I have family and I like to go there to visit them. I like to go to the movies. I like thriller, terror movies. I love thriller movies. Suspense. I like to walk, to go to the pool and relax. These are some activities and hobbies that I have in my life. this is an example of what you have to say or do in the other class in a fast way to improve and to see what level do you have of speaking. Thank you very much. That's all for today. We'll see on Friday. Take care. Thank you very much.